Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. This is Aishwarya, yoga teacher from India, bringing you yoga practices all the way from its birthplace. Have you ever wished that you could do yoga from just anywhere, maybe on your office coffee break or just in your living room? No mat, no stretchy pants, no fuss. Let's get started with the flow. To get started, let's stand with our legs hip-width apart, palms open, shoulders rolled back, eyes closed. Slowly bring your awareness to your breath. As you inhale, let your body expand. As you exhale, relax the body. Inhale, let the body expand. Feel your belly expand. Feel the chest rise. Exhale, relax from the chest and finally the belly. Inhale, expand. Exhale, relax. Soften your knees as you stand. Try to observe the weight of your body equally spread across all parts of your feet. Feel your body gently swaying and yourself balancing. Very gently open your eyes. Alright, now we started grounding ourselves. From here, let's move on to a little bit of movement. First, interlock the fingers behind your tailbone, right here. From here, roll the shoulders back, bring the chest up. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and bring the shoulders back to neutral. Again, inhale, roll the shoulders back, chest forward. Maybe you can take your palms up and back. Exhale, relax the hands back. Inhale, roll the shoulders back. Try to lift the palms up. Exhale, come back to center. I'm going to keep my palms here and do a little bit of neck rolls. If this feels uncomfortable, you can also hold a strap or a towel or anything that's accessible to you. So first one, we'll lift the neck up, chin towards the ceiling. Exhale, bring the chin down into your throat pit. Inhale, lift up towards the ceiling. Exhale, relax the chin down and tuck it into your throat. Inhale, up, 3. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, up. Exhale, and down. Inhale, and up. Exhale, and down. Inhale and come back to neutral. From here, we take the chin towards the side. Imagine you're stacking your chin over the shoulders. So, exhale, turn to the right. Imagine you're taking the chin over the shoulders. Feel the stretch from the back of the ears going towards the shoulder. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, twist towards the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. 2 more times. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. If you need to, you can relax your hands for a bit. 2 more minutes. Just move your fingers and come back and clasp them behind you. From here, we're going to gently exhale into a full forward fold. Try to bring your palms up towards the ceiling and feel the stretch on the upper back. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and slowly come back. Exhale and release. So this one is going to help you correct your postures because we're constantly crouching over the desk. So this one really helps with that. From here, let's move forward for our shoulders. So this is called a swimmer's move, or that's what I call it. So what you're going to do is just going to swim your hands back and forth. So right hand goes up, left hand back, and then left hand goes up, right hand back. So you're going to swing it to your maximum range of motion. So we'll just do it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly bring the hands back. From here, let's get on a little bit more for the shoulders. Bring the hands together in Namaste. But here, we're bringing the elbows together. From here, inhale, take the arms up, elbows up. Take the shoulders all the way back. Bring the elbows back behind the shoulders. Squeeze the shoulder blades and bring the elbows down. Imagining you're opening the chest towards the sky. Now exhale, bring it back into Namaste. Inhale, open wide, bring the elbows down, squeeze the shoulder blades in the back. Exhale and bring it back to center. Inhale, open wide. Exhale and bring it back to center. One more time. Inhale, open wide, squeeze the shoulder blades and bring the elbows back, imagining you're bringing it together behind your back. Exhale and bring it back to center and slowly release the hands down. Okay. From here, let's move on to a little bit of forward fold. So hands on your waist. Legs may be slightly wider if your pants allows you to do that. From here, I'm going to turn the right toes out. Left toes may be slightly in and turn my entire hip to face the right side. Yeah. From here, exhale. I'm extending my spine and go down. Don't round the back like this. Instead, I'm just staying halfway, parallel to the floor, and feel the stretch behind the legs. This is just to warm up the legs a little bit. Keep breathing. Inhale and slowly come back to center. Turn the right toes in, left toes out. Turn the entire hip to face the left foot. Exhale and go down halfway. And maybe feel the stretch behind the left knee, even the right knee. Keep breathing. Weight equally spread across both the feet. Inhale and come back to center. Okay. From here, let's move on to Pavana Muktasana breathing, but we're going to do the standing variation. So if your pants are allowing you to, maybe you can just hug the knees in all the way to your chest, or you can keep them halfway, whichever feels comfortable for you today. So I'm going to hug the right knee in, bring it close to my chest. Exhale, down. Hug the left knee in, close to the chest, and down. Exhale and hug the right knee in and down. Exhale and hug the left knee in and down. Last 2 times. Exhale, hug the right knee in and down. Exhale, hug the left knee in and down. Relax. For the next one, let's take support of a wall or a desk that's next to you. For the first one, we're going to take left hand on the wall. Bend the right knee and hold the right ankle. Take the thighs behind your left leg and pull the heel towards your glutes. So keep pulling, feel the stretch on the upper right thigh. Maybe you can pull it further behind, stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly drop it back. I'm going to turn on to the other side to do the other one. Right hand on the wall, left heel, hold the left ankle, take the knee behind the right leg, pull the heel towards your bum and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and slowly release. So this releases all the tension in your quad from all the sitting that we do on the desk all day. The next one is a calf stretch. For this again, you're going to take your front and back leg a little apart. From here, what I'm going to do is raise the right toes, bend the left knee a little bit and slowly start folding forward. Go as much as possible that your body allows you to do. Don't force it. For me, I'm here today. So feel the toes coming towards you. You'll feel a stretch going under the knee in your calf muscles. Stay here. 1, 2, 3. Keep pointing the toes up and towards you. 4 and 5. Slowly release the right leg and come up to standing. Interchange the legs. Left leg in the front, right in the back. Bend the right knee and slowly start going down. Maybe you're here today. Lift the left toe, most important part, towards you and feel the stretch going behind the left calf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back up and release the left leg. From here, I'm going to turn towards the wall. You can also do it against the desk. So here, I'm lifting the right leg up and facing the front and opening the right arm all the way to the back and twist. 1. This gives a nice spinal twist. 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back to center and release the right leg. Let's move on to the left side. Left leg up, knee in line with your hips, right hand on the wall, circle sweep the left arm towards the back and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and come back to center. Exhale and release the left leg. For the last one for today, we're going to cross the legs right over the left, both the edge of the feet touching each other, hands on your waist. Exhale and go down as far as your body allows you to. You can bend the right knee here, but keep the left knee as straight as possible. Hands on the floor and twist towards the right. 1, 2, you can feel the stretch going behind the left knee. 3, 4, 5. Inhale and come back to center. Slowly come back up. Release the right leg. Now we're going to the other side. Left leg in front and then the edges of the feet touching together. Exhale, go all the way down, hands on the floor and twist towards the left side. Bend the left knee as much as you require. Try to keep the right leg straight, feeling the stretch on the right muscles. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and come back to center. Exhale, slowly come up to standing and release the left leg. Great work, you guys. See how easy it is to get energized even in a small tiny space. Try these moves and your body will thank you. I'll see you again soon with some more feel good flows.